Hello everyone. In previous tutorials we have seen how we can set up our basic machine learning environment and also how we can use Jupyter notebooks. Now in this tutorial we are going to see how we can move step ahead in this journey and learn some basic Python and libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, also some basic machine learning stuff like regressions, etc. For that we have created a repository for you which contains the Jupyter notebooks along with the detailed tutorials and the video tutorials of it. Let's get started. For that first you need to visit github.com. Here you need to search moodle.ai. Now see, the first link is here itself, the moodle.ai. Here you will see all our resources present. So the resources include some basic folders like this. The basics include the Python tutorial, the cheat sheets, Python tutorials, NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib tutorials. Also you can see there are other folders like some for linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, etc. Now basically all these folders contain the Jupyter notebook. I will show you a demo example for that. See, this is the folder for linear regression. Here you are going to see the two Jupyter notebooks. One is how we can do regression from scratch and another is how you can do regression using the basic libraries or the scikit-learn libraries available. If I am going to open this, it will give you the static view of the notebook. Means you can actually see what is there in this notebook. So see, this is the simple regression notebooks. Here is all in-depth tutorial for the regression, what it means, how it can be used and how you can program your own regression and machine learning model. So basically all these tutorials are created using all the Medium blogs available and some of the great people like at Applied AI course, also the people at the Medium blogs, etc. So based on them, learning from them, I have created these tutorials. Now how you can use them and how you can play with these tutorials. So for that we have here multiple options available for you. First you need to know the basics of Jupyter notebook. I hope if you have watched my previous videos you must be clear with it, or then you should know some basics of how to use Google Colab. I will show you in a bit, or you can try out these notebooks in your Azure, Microsoft Azure, or you can install everything on your own local machine and set up. The instructions for each are given here, but I would suggest you to go with Colab. Now what is Colab? It is one of the most widely used resources provided by Google. It provides you GPU free of cost. Yes, you heard it right. It provides you the GPU free of cost and it's basically a Jupyter notebook hosted on the cloud. Now how you can play with it is you have to just go here and just click on this link and open in Colab. The link will be opened here in colab.research.google.com. Now I will show you how it looks and what it works. So basically this is the GitHub URL. It opens here and you have all the notebooks which are present here. You can open them. So basically all our notebooks are present here. Suppose you want to open a specific notebook, like suppose you want to go into the basics folder and you want to open one of the Python notebooks. So see, this is the complete Python tutorial is available here, starting from how you can declare keywords to functions and OOPs. And for this I would really like to thank Applied AI course for their support and also the Corey Schaefer videos for that. Suppose you want to know how you can declare variables. This is the number 3 Jupyter notebooks in basics. So what you can just go here and you can search here. See, this is number 1, number 3 within basics folder, within the Python folder, the variables notebook. And if I just click on it, my notebook will be opened here and interactive version of that will be opened here. So see, basically this is my Jupyter notebook. Now first what you have to do is you can observe one thing here. This is in playground mode. What it says is in playground mode. See, the instruction is as follows. This notebook is in playground mode. Changes will not be saved unless you make the copy of this notebook. Yes, what it means is whatever changes you are going to make here, whatever things you are going to do here, they are not going to affect either our repository or this notebook at all. either this notebook at all. Means next time if you are going to open the notebook, whatever was there created by us, it will be already present here. Next you can see is the, unless you save this notebook into your drive, those changes won't be affected here. As you can see, this is the similar Jupyter notebook what we have learned. It is just hosted on the cloud. You can add code cells like here, or you can delete those code cells like delete cell. You can add a text cell, and all other basic functionalities are same as it is. Now first, before using this, you need to create access between you and the Google server. So that is called as runtime. Now you can have different types of runtime possible here, either Python 2 and Python 3. I will select Python 3 runtime. Also the hardware accelerator. This is what none if you wish to use only CPU. If you wish to use GPU for your heavy computing task, you can use GPU, or you can use the TPU, that is the TensorFlow processing unit or the tensor processing unit. For now I don't require any GPU as such, so I will go with none, and I will save it and I will connect it. Yes, I guess it requires me to sign into my Google account. Wait, let me just sign it. Yes, now I have signed it here, and now you can see. Now let me check again my runtime. Yes, the runtime has changed, I guess. Now I will go for Python 3 and I will save, and I will connect my runtime here. So it will take a bit time to connect the runtime. Basically what it does, it creates a link between you and the server. Yes, now my runtime is connected. Now I can access this. So if you want to watch the tutorial of this basically this notebook, what you can do is you can just run this cell again. It gives a warning. Yes, you can run anyway. Yes, it's connecting, I guess, a bit. You can run this video, and what it will do is the video will be available, the video tutorial is available here, and you can just play the video. It will take some time depending upon your net speed. So basically it's the video tutorial for this complete notebook. The structure for all the rest notebooks is similar. Video tutorial followed by whatever the notebook blocks are there. So this is the variable. So I will just run you one of the blocks, or you can add your own code block here. Suppose if you want to do 2 plus 2, and I will just run it. So the answer is 4. So basically you can try out each and every cell, you can run them, and you can see what's the output. You can add your own cells, you can delete these cells, and you can try in there will be no such issues or no problem as such. If anything goes wrong, you can just close it and rerun the notebook again. So basically it's for list, tuples, everything. So the tutorials are as follows. So basically that's how you can use this notebook, and thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, you can post them in comment section. Also, if this video has helped you, you can you share it with other people, so that and other students, so that it will help them too. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you once again.